Good morning, all of you. This is Dr. Sudarshan Sambajara, Pedge Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Kailasasi, Rasika Mahavidyalaya, Devni, your zoology companion, and welcome to my lecture. This is the first lecture of this semester. Now, today we will start our syllabus, that is the fourth paper number 4, that is the developmental biology. Now, today we will start the first lecture of this syllabus, that is the introduction of developmental biology. Okay, so let's get started today's lecture. So question may arise in your mind, what is meant by the embryology? Okay, so embryology is deals with the study of the development of an organism from the egg to adult. Okay, what is meant by the embryology? Embryology means the development of an organism from the egg to an adult, that is called the embryology. Okay, so question may arise in your mind, what is the embryo? Okay, so embryo means the embryo refers to the juvenile stage of an animal. Okay, it means the when it is inside the egg or inside the maternal body, that is called the juvenile stage. Okay, so a young one, when it has first come out of the egg or just born, cannot be called an embryo. Okay, सो आपण जर म्हणतो की एखादा एम्ब्रिओ जस्ट एगच्या आउटसाईडला येतो किंवा बॉर्न होतो, त्याला आपण एम्ब्रिओ असं म्हणू शकत नाही. ओके, सो दॅट इज द वन पर्टिक्युलर एम्ब्रिओ मीन्स द एग ऑर इनसाइड द मॅटर्नल बॉडी. ओके, म्हणजे जी काही बॉडी इंटरनल असते, मॅटर्नल बॉडीच्या इंटरनली असते किंवा एगमध्ये असते, त्याला आपण एम्ब्रिओ असं म्हणतो. राईट, दॅट इज कॉल्ड द एम्ब्रिओलॉजी. ओके, दॅट इज द मिनिंग ऑफ embryo. Okay, so embryology is the one particular phase of development before metamorphosis in amphibia. We know very well, generally amphibians, it will be formed, that is the process or the development process is called the metamorphosis. Okay, it means the before hatching in birds and before birth in mammals. Okay, it is similar in the amphibia. Okay, so before the hatching eggs in birds, that is called the one particular development. Okay, or before the birth in mammals, that is called the development. Okay, so however, some embryologists think that the embryology includes all developmental process up to maturity. Okay, सो सगळे जे काही एम्ब्रायोलॉजिस्ट आहेत हे काही म्हणतात की बाबा जी डेव्हलपमेंटल प्रोसेस आहे एक कम्प्लिटली मॅच्युअर होईपर्यंत चालू असते. ओके, एम्ब्रिओ मॅच्युअर होईपर्यंत ही डेव्हलपमेंट एम्ब्रिओलॉजिकल प्रोसेस चालू असते. ओके, सो वी some words we have called it as, that is the embryology is also called the developmental biology. Okay, so developmental biology is another name of for the embryology. Okay, so this name is the recent origin. Okay, so and it deals with the all events of the entire development period in one organism, one generations. Okay, so that is the one particular developmental biology concept. Okay, so development, we know very well that the development refers to the gradual transformation of the egg into a new adult individual. Okay, what is meant by the development? Development refers to the gradual transformation of the egg into a new adult individuals. Okay, so the development history of an individual from the egg to the adult is called the ontogenic development. Okay, so one particular ontogenic development, it will be, we have seen here that is the ontogeny. Okay, so ontogenic development, it is the one particular process. That process is called the transformation of the egg into a new adult individual. Okay, as well as the developmental history of an individual from the egg to the adult is called the ontogenic development, or simply we call it as the ontogeny. Okay, so ontogeny begins with fertilization and includes the embryological periods and the periods of infancy, childhood, adolescence, maturity, and old age. Okay, so that total process is called the ontogeny, and it will be ontogeny, it will be starts with the fertilization. Okay, so the word development is also applied to the gradual transformation of group of animals from simple forms to complex forms. Okay, it means the development, it is the word particular gradual transformation of group of animals from simple forms to complex forms. Okay, so this development history of a group is called phylogenetic development. Okay, or we simply call it as that is a phylogeny. Okay, so that is the one particular, it is often referred to as evolution. Okay, so this is the one particular introductory idea about the developmental biology. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you very much. Remaining part we will see later on.